Currently, there's 1,626 people inside the tower. So let's queue up to go inside the tower. So we need to climb up or step up the staircase to go inside the elevated lift lock. So the big font writing written here, Shanghai 欢迎你, which literally means that Shanghai welcomes you. A few steps higher where you can see or have a better view of the skyscrapers. So queuing up to go inside the tower again. Inside the building again, they need to verify the ticket once more. So many rounds of security check kena check betul-betul lah before we go up the tower. Alright, we are now clear for access. Ramai masih beratur lagi to go inside the tower. Security check lagi. Of course, the kids are super excited to visit the tower lah. So we are at the current height of 4.2 meter, which is inside the city gallery. Wow, a lot of people are inside. Can I still go in? 我还可以进吗？
等一下了，等一下了。
哦，一起的。哎呦 a lot of people 了。Super crowded. Okay guys, we just reached the among the highest level, 263 meter. So the highest is actually 351 meter. So now we are hungry already. It's time to makan. We will be dining at the revolving restaurant, yeah. So let's check it out. Apa yang sedap? Oh, gaya mesti mau ada. Go inside this revolving restaurant. Wow, macam dalam space shuttle So sekarang kita cari. We have to find a place to sit first. Wow, so many people dining at the area. Well, basically 360 degree, you can actually see the whole Shanghai city. Let's check the food out later. Sekarang most important, find our seat. So in order to dine at the restaurant, we really need to book in advance. This is my favorite, lamp colored. 好的，好的，谢谢，谢谢。Salad, cheese, inilah cold dish ala Chinese style. Japanese food, sashimi. Oh, guess what is this? This is French baked snail. Oh, here you can order your pasta, pastries. Hello, ini adalah fruit segment. Ginseng fruit. Jarang nampak. Oh, ini bahagian drinks. Coffee, jasmine tea, milk tea. Oh, macam-macam ada. So after fill up dinner, it's time to go up to the upper level. 牵手，牵手，过来，过来，跳过来。哥哥。去前面给东方好人。Siap visiting 360 darjah the city of Shanghai. Sekarang time untuk balik rumah. Kena beratur juga. Alright, it's getting late. It's about time for us to go down to the ground floor. And again, we have to queue up. Look at this. Such a long queue to go down. Now we are at the height of 90 meters. The view is even more level and I would say that more rich as compared to the top view. Everything seems to be closer. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Just now we are at the level 90 meter high up. So now we are moving down again using the elevator. So this is the queue.